Do you know that in healthcare systems, even small delays in detecting heart abnormalities can lead to serious life threatening conditions? In rural areas, limited access to cardiologists and expensive diagnostic equipment makes early heart disease detection not only challenging but absolutely critical. So here comes our solution: embedded AI system for the real-time heart sound analysis. Our system is built using real patient data collected from the hospitals under the supervision of cardiologists. This real-world dataset ensures medical reliability and accuracy. Using this labeled dataset, we trained a machine learning model to classify heart sound as normal or abnormal and detect potential cardiac condition. The model achieved an accuracy of approximately 82% on real-world data. After training, the model is deployed in dual system architecture. First, a RISC-V based embedded system where a digital stethoscope is connected and interfaced with the computer. When a new patient arrives, their heart sound is recorded in the real time, processed by the system, and results are displayed instantly on the GUI. Second, a mobile application independently records heart sounds, run inference using the trained model, displays results, and store patient history for the continuous monitoring. This enables fast, real-time diagnosis without any delay. Our system is designed for the rural healthcare centers, clinics, and remote areas where advanced medical facilities are not available. Overall, it is scalable, low cost, and efficient solution for early heart disease screening because in modern healthcare systems, early detection saves lives.